Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Namaste. Sat Sri Akal. Everyone, a very good morning. Good morning. Good morning. That's my DXN family. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa ahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an, amlan mutaqabbalan wa rizqan tayyiban. With this prayer, I welcome you all with this auspicious session of Wellness Evening. Thanks to DXN Malaysia, thanks to DXN Management, thanks to our elite the program ambassadors, honorable doctors, Professor Ranjan, Dr. Shankar, Professor Ratna Vasupal, and Dr. Vasnava. A round of applause for them. It's been an honor, it's a proud privilege in front of you, but fortunately, the cream has already been done for the cake. It's a little ice left for me, and a little hard task also for me. Because the products that I'm going to talk about are not one, they are two. And that the core products, not as major as Ganoderma, but they are themselves are very important. Cordyceps and lion's mane, so you have to promise me that you will concentrate, because this is the first time that I'm going to lay down or pinpoint the importance of cordyceps, the importance of lion's mane, to make you, like Vasupal sir said, a lion. So are you ready? So let's start with the biggest product, that's cordyceps. I'm a group of a global family. I'm a member of a global family, which is DXN, which is decent, excellent, natural life forever. You understand what DXN means? So this is DXN, for which this wellness awareness program has been arranged for you, and this is me with little bit of things that I've done. I'm still going on. So Cordyceps Sinensis is another gift which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you to rescue your health, to give you stamina, to give you integrity of the cells. What it is and what you need to know. I don't want you to be a doctor, because you will take my seat, and as Dr. Vasupal said, we are not worth it, right, doctor? So we are financially very poor people, but we are very brave to accept that challenge. We will do network marketing with our profession. We will be a part of wellness industry, so don't you dare say that, okay? So I'm going to go for it. Let's see what it is, Cordyceps sinensis. It's very, very old traditional Chinese medicine product. And in the books of TCM, we find multiple authors have documented with proof the efficacy, the worth that they were taking as food, not even having any scientific evidence, and they were taking it since long. And this was a well-known medicinal fungus which was used in Himalayan mountains populations long time back. Basically, you know what I say about cordyceps? I say it's a combination of a biology nature gives you. We study botany and zoology, right? Zoology for animals, botany for plants. You see a combination in caterpillar fungus. So this is where somebody who says that vegetables are not living, they have a proof that a vegetable can grow on an animal, right? So that's a proof for a complete biological assessment for Cordyceps sinensis, the scientific name being Cordyceps sinensis, known as caterpillar fungus, deer fungus, Toikyohatsu, so forth. नाम में क्या रखा है? काम करता है ना? काम करना है. नाम में कुछ नहीं रखा. So what I'm going to teach you, what is inside and why cordyceps is very, very important. I don't want you to memorize all these things, but you just focus on the benefits and how it is important and how people has got the benefit all over the world since long. So all these contents, cordycepic acid, cordycepan, amino acid, polysaccharides, B12 are big names, but what and why do we need it? We are surrounded by a polluted world. Agreed? Agreed? How much of the clean air are we getting? This is the pure composition that we should get to have a healthy oxygenation of the cells. But what we are getting, that is a different story. So this is the total content that is ideal. But what we are doing it with ourselves, our industry, our pollution, our mental pollution, dietary pollutions, and also what to say of the newer products. If you go in a house which is newly furnished, you like the smell of the new furniture, the smell of the new paint, the detergents. These are also very, very toxic. And they are directly affecting your cell health. So I'm not saying that you should not be tidy. It is that you have to be strong to fight back those minor but working as major problems for your cell health. So this is what the world is now ahead. You can't get rid of this. Can you change the world? Can you change the world? Yes, we can. By changing yourself. घर को मजबूत करो, अब्र को इल्जाम न दो. घर को मजबूत करो, अब्र को इल्जाम न दो. मुनहदिम कच्चे मकानात हुआ करते हैं. If your body is not strong, anything can attack you. So your self-defense should be strong enough. Your cells should be having a power of regeneration, power of detoxification. Who is going to give it to them? First question, change your mind. Think for it, look for it, find it, use it, and get rid of it. Now, this is the basic principle of wellness. Now, if you do that, I think you can even fight back cancer. Acidic environment makes cancer grow. And cancer is not an alien coming from the seventh world. It is your own cell which has changed the type A to type B. And what has made that cell change is the environment, is the habitat, is the growth potentials which are unorganized. So how to get rid of all these pollutants which can be carcinogenic also? It will end up in the hazards. You know asthma, you know bronchitis, you know emphysema. All these lung diseases are 99% due to bad habits, pollutions, air pollution, industrial pollution. Your thickly populated areas, our third world countries are suffering the most unhygienic situations, and we are heading for it. What to do? We don't have money to clean ourselves. So clean the cells at least by having little bit of antioxidants, little bit of anti-aging, little bit of anti-inflammatory, little bit of any detoxifying agent in your body. We can do it, we can fight it. And as you know, all diseases are fatal. Doctors very well said 3 minutes. Dr. Ranjan just told you, few minutes, enough to stop your heart. Lack of oxygen gives you a crippled baby for life. And lack of hemoglobin gives you a weak mother. A weak mother gives birth to a weak child. And a weak child cannot be a world-class laborer. What to say of a student? So we have to think about it. And the cordyceps in traditional Chinese medicine has given the proof to be assistance in the health of the respiratory system. It promotes the health and relief of upper respiratory tract inflammations and infections. And above all, it improves the quality of life of any gender, of any age. And it works on the microvasculature. It improves the circulation. As you know, the biggest organ of your body are the blood vessels. You know that? The biggest organ of your body are your blood vessels. Somebody well said, I don't know how far it is true, that if you make a rope of your blood vessels, it can circle the whole globe. Is it not fantastic? So if you are controlling that, you are controlling the whole body health. Let it be brain, let it be stomach, or let it be a microcirculation. if the transport is okay, if the transporter is okay, and if the content of transport is okay, the survival will be healthy. So this is what cordyceps aims to do. So the elixir of life is very well, nicely given the name to cordyceps. It builds up the stamina. It modulates. See, Dr. Lim is very wise. He is very keen to give you similar products, not to make you a scientist. So you just remember 5 things. All the products of DXN are food supplements. Anybody can take it. In any amount you can take it, provided you don't have allergy to that particular product. And most of them are anti-aging. And most of them are fully antioxidants. So this is the common properties of our all the products. Rest are working like you are in a roundabout. You are standing on a roundabout and there are 4 or 5 roads. It may come from any corner, but it reaches to the same destiny of health. Whether it comes from Ganoderma, whether it comes from Spirulina, whether it comes from cordyceps, Morinzy, or whether it comes from the other products, Morinzyme, vitamin C, vital. So micronutrition is the key for your future success, for killing the cells, helping the cells, and to regaining the health. So it improves the memory and concentration. So far, in our allopathic manifesto of claim that we treat everything, we got everything. This is the dilemma that we doctors have. But we are sadly and badly mistaken at some places. There is no cure for a nerve loss. Is there any? I think some doctors are sitting here. Thanks for all of you to come. But is there any cure for a nerve section? Have you seen a person who's paralyzed to come back to normal after a spinal cord section? Or have you seen a retinal damage coming back to a little bit of visibility? Have you seen a retinitis pigmentosa at least started seeing the colors? Have you seen any night blind person to see back again as normal? I have. Thanks to DXN. Round of applause. I have. The world is changed for me the day my mother got cancer. My father got myasthenia gravis. And myasthenia gravis, doctors know, it's not a very easy disease to treat. It's an autoimmune disorder. Maybe for life you have to take steroids. And this steroid makes holes everywhere. Blood pressure, sugar, stomach. And alhamdulillah, after 3 to 4 weeks of a strong lion's mane, spirulina, cordyceps, my father is back to work without any memory loss, without any muscular problem in the muscles. Doctors don't believe, but I believe because my father is still alive and well. My mother is still alive and well after 10, 11 years of endometrial carcinoma, which has got the highest mortality. No chemotherapy, no radiotherapy, no metastasis. So this is the wonder world of DXN. This is the wonder world of DXN. As you know, my department is a very sensitive department. I pray for 1 egg and 1 sperm to join at the right time to make a small baby. And when the baby is there, I put it back into the uterus. It's a fantasy. It's a fantastic miracle of life that I see in front of my eyes. But if you don't get it done properly, if you see a woman, a girl, a youngster of 17 years having an FSH of 102, a premature ovarian failure, or a young man coming to you as physically fit, financially fit, spiritually fit, but no sperms. It's a very, very sensitive issue. So the concept of fertility has changed now. It's not only the sexual potential of somebody to be a father or a mother. It is a dilemma in the third world. A woman who cannot be a mother is thrown out as unwanted creature from the society. Agreed? Even in some parts of the world, the husband who is azoospermic keeps on marrying again and again. I got a patient who got 4 wives of different sizes, different ages, and he came to my office and banged on the table, I want 4 test tube baby for my wife. I've got 4 wives, put one baby in each. Thinking that he has come to a superstore. This is the concept. This is a male-oriented, sorry to say, it's a male-oriented society. But there are reasons to believe that somewhere down the line, these creations were created by some deficiency in their mothers when they were not born. The children who have these deficiencies of reproductive deficiency or failure, they were dictated when they were 8 weeks old. There is something known as epigenetics. Genetics is what? You're dictated from your parents. But epigenetics is an execution of those genes provided they have that proper environment to be executed. For example, if you have a mouse and you make a current on his toe, and at the same time, you let him smell a beautiful fragrance. Somewhere in his brain, this dictation goes that the current, excuse me, can I have some silence, please? Like Dr. Vasupal, I have come without charging anything, just to share this information, and I've spent time to make this presentation. So please, bear with me. It's going to help you in the long run. Bear with me. So this mouse was having an idea that, okay, this smell is related to that current. The minute this smell will come, I can smell it, I will take a current on my foot. Then what we did, we let them marry another female mouse. They got a baby mouse. We took that smell, that baby mouse, and you know what has happened? The baby mouse put his foot back. That reflex went into the gene. Then again we got that couple married. Now the second generation of the mouse, again, never had any experience of that smell or that current. Again, that reflex was there. So what this suggests? What you say, what you hear, what you think goes into your epigenetics, and it will be executed at the right time. So you can create cancer if you react to that abnormal environment. You understand? So this is the beauty of epigenetics, okay? So, coming back to the muscle fatigue. No power is complete without a good tone of the muscles. And the tone of the muscle is dependent on some micronutrition, proper oxygenation, and the habit of the muscles to be used. And what we are doing in nowadays, we are sitting, couch potatoes, no exercise, and we want to be healthy. Wow, what a claim. We want to be healthy. Sexual drives, much overoccupied, no family life. They think that sexual drive is only needed for reproduction. It is not taken as a part of a married, happy life. So then they become psychic, especially in the expat population we see lots of problems of this even in males and females. So we have to deal with all these things, but there is no medicine for that. Whatever medicine we are having, these are hormones which are going to have some side effects later on. You give testosterone to a male, negative feedback gives you a long-term ill effect on his body. his sperm count will go up and then suddenly it will go down. So this is what is the calamity, this is what the dilemma of extra medication. Now, cordyceps, as I said, being a common family of DXN products, has antioxidant properties. How does it work? Excuse me? Are you with me? Give a round of applause to yourself, please. I want you to listen to this. Okay, I'm going to fight with Sebastian why he called me if you don't listen to me. So this is mechanism of action. How does cordyceps works? It increases the cellular energy. It regulates blood sugar. Do you know that? And it is antiviral. Recently, I received a call from Ladkana, Sindh. HIV is a viral there. 700 children are having HIV because of a syringe, because of a reused syringe from a clinic. And it is becoming an epidemic. So do we have any treatment for HIV? 8 March 2008, Nairobi. I was there, and I have that newspaper cutting. The only thing that can help an HIV patient is Ganoderma and Spirulina. This was the statement, not by DXN, but by the government in Kenya. But now, the research is also going on for cordyceps, and which is proving itself as antiviral. Now, virus can be anything. There's a strong family of viruses which are uncontrollable. In Gulf, every now and then you see a virus spurt, and there are children who are off school. There are people who are lack of, no sick leaves left over. So these are the viruses which are going to be untreated. They will die on their own accord. So if you have anything which in a diet, if you in a coffee, as a tablet, if you can take and regularly you get rid of the idea that a virus can come to you. At the door, it will be banged. Any virus, any bacteria, any ailment coming to the door of your body will be banged by DXN product. This is the defense. This is the defense. So, defense force ko improve karo. Antiviral activity. So how does it do that? Because there is some physiology, there is some mechanism of action. It's a health supplement proven to be actually increasing energy levels, but there is something known as ATP. You might not know this, but this is an energy provider, adenosine triphosphate. It's a compound that releases energy to the cells. And when you take cordyceps, there is a 30% increase in ATP. That means, what we say, power. The muscle power, the stamina, 30% increases from the base level if you take cordyceps. That was the reason in 90s, the Chinese athletes were tested that why 8 medals went to China in a go. Are they taking some steroids or supplements that are all the medals are going to one country? And they found out they were taking cordyceps to improve the stamina. So this is one thing. The world-class athletes are extensively using this. So how it controls the sugar? It triggers the release of insulin. Insulin, as you know, is a hormone coming from pancreas. Good news and bad news. If it is there not working, bad news for fertility, polycystic ovaries, later on a pre-diabetic. But if it is anybody where insulin is not there, so you are already diabetic, uncontrolled sugar. How long you are going to take that medicine? For life. Blood pressure for life. So if you get a diet on daily basis, which is controlling the release of insulin, so you will need medicine, but maybe less, maybe no medicine. Plus, it increases the hepatic glucokinase, which is again a metabolic help for the glucogenesis, and it increases the cellular sensitivity to insulin. These three balancing stages gives a control of sugar. So a combination of reishi, spirulina, morinzi, and cordyceps can have a very sustained and beautiful life for a diabetic. So this was the test done. This was the test done, and how did we claim that? We did the sugar testing before taking cordyceps, you see the rise of sugar coming up and down these parabolics here. Lunch, after sugar, after lunch it went up, then it went down. This is without cordyceps. Now once you do take cordyceps, look at the stability. The sudden rise of sugar doesn't happen. Only with little bit of cordyceps, you regulate your carbohydrate metabolism, and this has proven that why diabetics do well with cordyceps. Now, addictions, difficult to get rid of. So this was seen that it reduces the desire for alcohol. So if somebody wants to get rid of addiction, you can start using Moranzi and cordyceps. You can easily get rid of alcohol. Antiviral, natural antiviral compounds, which is HEA. What is HEA? It is a compound which interrupts the viral DNA activity. And this is what biochemically replications of DNA in a virus takes place, which it replicates and divides and make you sick. So it attacks on that. This replication doesn't happen, so the virus gets killed. This is how cordyceps takes care of your viruses. So there's a trial going on HIV in Ghana, and most of it is already done, but still we are waiting for the results. The HIV infection is taking more time now. More than 2,000 subjects are already enrolled. Liver disease, as a major health threat, you know, the biggest warehouse of our body is liver. In the modern world, we are not happy to have liver transplants. 1/8 of a liver, if you have, it's enough for you to live. But then to save that 1/8, sustainability is important. So you have to have a diet which you don't have hepatitis, you should not have cirrhosis, jaundice, and if you take cordyceps, a combination of C-misses, my formula of C-misses. You know what C-misses stands for? Cordyceps, Moranzi, Reishi, and spirulina. This combination saves you from all those ailments, making you a strong shield for your cells of liver as well. Another trial of hepatitis B is now complete, and they show that hepatitis B can be controlled by cordyceps. Still, there is another Korean trial is going on, and we are waiting for hepatitis C results. So our concern is, it's very difficult to get cordyceps. And thanks to Dr. Lim, that because of his vision, we got this at our doorstep. Otherwise, we couldn't have thought of it. So this is what is HEA. It's an additive with cordycepin. It gives you energy. It is the world-class best cordyceps that we are having in Malaysia. The hydroxyethyl adenosine analogues are the altered adenosine type nucleosides which are found nowhere in nature except cordyceps. Nowhere this compound is found which is there in cordyceps. So it's very difficult to get rid of it, but it is very happy to take care of the cells and their net. Why not we test it? What do cordycepic acid do? If you have used cranberry, somebody has used cranberry juice, right? If you cranberries, the cordycepic acid is there in cranberries. And it is used as an adjuvant for sometimes kidney issues, sometimes concentrated urine, sometimes vitamin deficiencies. And cordycepic acid in cordyceps is much more than in cranberries. Polysaccharides, impossible. You cannot create polysaccharide the quality which cordyceps and Ganoderma has. So it's one beautiful thing about it, a unique ingredient. It has the feather of increase in ATP, oxygen utilization. Why do we get the stamina more? Because more of oxygen is being consumed at a less span of time. So they can survive for long. Lactic acid production is less. So that's why they can run fast. They can live long. The heart muscle is get revived very well. So that's why cordyceps is not only for the heart. All the microcirculations in the body, may it be retina, may it be internal ear, may it be a microtubule of your kidney. Don't worry. You can give health to your kidney. You can decrease your dialysis times by giving cordyceps regularly. Okay? So this is one big breakthrough. regulation, appetite. As it increases the stamina, it increases the utilization of insulin, so it helps you to maintain your carbohydrate metabolism. When carbohydrate metabolism is maintained, you don't have undue appetite, which is because of high insulin. When you have high insulin, quickly you take off the glucose, you get hungry again. So this is why it gives you a lack of appetite, and obviously reproductive health, it is taken as a reproductive health tonic. I have more than 6,000-7,000 pregnancies with the combination of cordyceps, improving the sperm count, improving the motility, and decreasing the precipitation or anti-sperm antibodies, because it has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. So the combinations give you better results. So alcohol desire we have done. Second step, in the world best cordyceps, it replicates the different cultural techniques. I don't want to go into the details, but these are the classification. You see, the analysis of the quality and technique of hybrid, this is the term hybridization, don't worry about that. It is how it improves the function of this mushroom. Now this mushroom has got a lot of studies, more than 120 articles I have read. And every article proves the other article. I don't want to read any more. Enough. The testimonial that I get by taking, I eat cordyceps, my blood pressure gets normalized, my stamina improves during Ramadan, when we are having 16 to 16 hours fasting. Take spirulina, cordyceps, moringa and reishi, and you are a normal person. Totally normal, you don't feel hungry. For last 11 years, that's my recipe for Sahar. And I myself, my whole family is a testimonial for that. So it is again a food that is going to give you a good, superior quality, security. See, why do we eat food? What is food? Why do we eat food? Anybody? To have energy, okay? To live, to grow, and to repair. And you are aging, so it has to have an anti-aging element also. A food which has anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, cardioprotective, liver protective, skin protective, heart protective, and in the other sense by having a cardiovascular system protection, what else you need? You have given a defeat to 5 consultants. No neurologist, no cardiologist, no physician, no gynecologist. Yourself, your food supplements are your doctors. So this is one of the best things. So I've been giving these are the references that we took for this anti-aging. You can go through them. It's respiratory infections and all that. Cholesterol, blood cells improvements, and DNA repair. See, DNA repair, no drug can repair DNA. No drug in the world. So this is liver protection, kidney protection, and also anti-cancer property. 6 grams a day. 6 grams of cordyceps daily. If you take it, can reduce, it has been seen in lung cancer, it has reduced 46% of the patient got the results. So it's a very good consensus. Again, all the natural killer cells are there, so I don't want to go into that. So cordyceps, our cordyceps is a little different from others because it is 100% cordyceps, no contamination, no preservation, no pesticide. Approved, it's a 300 milligram in 1 tablet, organically cultivated, GMP acquired, chemical act, no preservative, nothing, and it's easy to absorb. You put in the mouth and it gets absorbed. So no enzyme needed, no easy to play. All these references are there, so you can take it. I ran out of time, but I think I've conveyed the message for cordyceps. If you know a little bit of this is written, can we please, these busy bees can be reduced? Continuously there's a backfire. Who are these people? Can I have some silence? I'm just finishing. Only one topic left. Cordyceps is the key for your cell life. Cordyceps is the key for Cordyceps is the key for the happiness of your wife. Cordyceps is the key for the happiness of your family. Cordyceps is the key for propagation of your reproductive system. So if you want to use cordyceps, you can enjoy all this. So this is something about cordyceps. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, I'll quickly go through lion's mane. Lion's mane as it is, it's a food supplement. Its botanical name is Hericium erinaceus. Very difficult to swallow, but you just say lion's mane. All the talk of lion's mane will circle all these things. What is it? How it grows? What are the benefits? And how it is going to affect our body. This is lion's mane. A very beautiful mushroom. A very beautiful mushroom. And this is a lion. I want you to understand, it is not the head of the lion, it is the mane. The neck, the hair growth on the neck is the mane of the lion. So that's why the whole mushroom has got an outgrowth of these tentacles which are white in color, and they gives it a beautiful appearance of white mushroom. So that is how it is grown and naturally it is. The advances of in scientific study of lion's mane, they have been published. This is very recent. Between 2000 to 2018, the studies say that again, it's an immunomodulator. See the beauty of it? All are immunomodulators. Best thing is it has nerve growth factor. It can repair the nerves not only internally, but also the sheath of the nerve, neurolemma, which is, once it is broken, the nerve is excited. You can have tic syndrome, you can have carpal tunnel syndrome, you can have trigeminal neuralgias. A lot of neuralgias are because of this loss of sheath. So when you repair the sheath, no neuralgic pain. And also it has B12, which is again going in favor of sustainability of the nerves. So if you have any myalgic pain, if you have any backache, if you have any spinal issue, if you are a laborer, if you are pulling up your weight and the muscle got spasm, the recipe is very simple. Guano oil, cordyceps coffee or tablets, lion's mane 2, 3, 4, and little bit of physiotherapy. So you can get rid of orthopedic from your life. Get rid of your orthopedic. So this is one thing which it controls on nervous system. Again, and not only on the nerve growth factor, it is neuroprotection. Now, if you're working in an environment, excuse me, please, please, please. Please, if you want to talk, can you go out and talk? It affects your neighbors, it affects me. Please. 2, 3 minutes or I will leave the stage, okay? 3 minutes or. I know it's very long session. You have been tired since 4:30. And fortunately and unfortunately, I've got 2 topics to finish and I have to teach you. And you have to listen, okay? You have to listen. So this is a neuroprotection. If you're working in a radiology department, continuous exposure of the nerves to a irritant, nerve irritant. If you are working in a chemo therapy department, or if you're working in a chemical industry, where exposure is dangerous for your nerves, or you are in a very stressful environment. You are a banker, you are a teacher, you are a surgeon. Your nerves are, these cables coming from the brain are stressed. So stress is a disease itself now. People are earning money for taking care of stress. Lines, you can see in a psychology and psychiatric clinic, just taking care of your stress. Meditation, exercise, DXN, lion's mane is the key to kill the stress. So this is the neuroprotection. Now, if you have an injury, nerve injury, do your medical treatment. Side by side, repair the nerve with lion's mane. Cardiovascular, blood pressure, because you see, blood pressure also, doctors know that blood pressure is not only the issue of blood vessels in the heart. It is the control of the blood vessels, pacemaker of the heart. It is the control of the nerves to dilate or constrict the vessels. Somewhere down the line, your cables are involved. When you are stressed, why the blood pressure goes up? Why? There must be some connection through the nerves, through adrenaline. All these things are related. So if you are taking care of those cables, you are somewhere correcting your blood pressure. One more modality is being taken care of. So blood pressure, lipids, cholesterol, and as a common factor, anti-cancer. So, are you drinking enough water? Are you drinking enough water? Somebody will ask me, what is enough water? How much is much? How much is enough? Everybody has its own requirement. If I'm a laborer, my requirement of water is different. If I'm sitting idle in an AC, my requirement is different. If I'm a kidney patient, my requirement is limited. So all these things, and if I'm an exercise person, our requirement is different. So in low fiber diet, yes. Are we eating in a hurry? We have some problem in the gut, we never give it an issue. Constipation, diarrhea, ठीक हो जाएगा. एक दो दिन छोड़ दो खाना ठीक हो जाएगा. Why it is happening? Somewhere there is a cable involvement. Somewhere there is a movement of the gut involvement. So there are traveling problems, there are stress problems which are affecting your bowels. It's very important. Whatever you eat is going to give you health or illness. It's already said. आपका मैदा जो है ना बीमारी की जड़. Whatever you eat, you are what you eat. So this is how you have to control your integrity of bowel by having a regular movement and regular habitat. All these things to be in integrity and energy with normal health of these cells can be, and also detoxification. Intestine is continuously detoxificating your body. Crush. If the drain is blocked, what will happen? You are in trouble. So if this drain gets blocked, your toxins go back to your system and you again get a confrontation for the new disease to come. So from mouth to anus, all these things of the tract needs some clarity, some oiling, some fiber, but what we are eating is not good, and we have to avoid all these things. We have to avoid overeating, eating in a hurry, eating in a wrong time, and just eating before bedtime and go to bed. Again, this is another bad situation. What should we do? We should enjoy our food, take it on time, quality food, and no thinking when you are, not like having a mobile there and eating. There was a very nice joke. Somebody sent it to me on my mobile. Yesterday, there was no internet, and I found out there are some good people in the house. You know why? Because everybody was on the mobile, and they didn't knew what was happening to the family. So there's no family life. Add 2 more addiction in your history sheet, doctor. Facebook and WhatsApp. Your fingers, your neck, your brain, your eyes continuously damaged. So these are the things that we need to take care. Exercise, relax, take the supplements, take lion's mane. It gives you not only the health, it gives you the integrity of the cells of the intestine, neural nourishment, digestive integrity, and I'm not going to go into the details how it grows, how it works. All these things are the beta-glucans and all the chemicals which are there, which are very, very important for lion's mane, how it is working, but it has bioactive compounds, and there is a reason for their effects on the body. So it cannot be said that it's only a simple food supplement. It has positive evidences of these bioactive agents which are giving those good results. So this is how it works, and no need to go into the details, but generation of the cytokines, immune system, antifungal, antiviral, giving help to our lymph nodes, taking care of primary organs, secondary organs, mediators, liver, and all these things that are preventing inflammation. Inflammation will result in infection. Infection is a next name to the disease, which can even lead to cancer. So all these things are effective. If you need to know your body. And the food that you take should treat the body well. Respect your body. Respect your cells. And the body will live long with a healthy brain, with a healthy attitude. All these things are going to help you. And in the meantime, if somebody wants to know what are they, how they are working, all these scientific details are, we are not talking in air. DXN is not talking without evidence. Don't be ashamed of the products. If somebody comes to you and you are not a scientific person, just let them handle to the PubMed. If they are interested, they will find and they will not read. I tell you, they will not read. They are just pulling your leg because they don't want to believe you. So let them. But you prove yourself to be a product of the product. Leave it to the nature, let them decide. So this is the Nobel Prize winner. She had this 100th birthday. This was proven. Dr. Ranjan, see this. This is a mouse tumor and sensory ganglion. The growth of the neurons was labeled in a Nobel Prize thesis. And this was given to this lady. And she was, it's very famous. In 1950s, this was done. We didn't knew. All these were for nerve growth factor. So they see the growth of the nerves while giving. If you give it, this was done on the animals. If you give lion's mane, the nerve grows in a baby mouse. So you think what I'm thinking? If I give to the pregnant women, my babies will be healthy. They will not have cerebral palsy. They will not have spinal problems. They will not have backache. They will not have myalgias. And they will have a good quality of functional life. This is why it is important. So all these things are bioactivities, and I don't want to go. All these are proofs, authentic proofs by scientific data, that proves that how these are treated and controlled by a controlled randomized trial. They have proven, whatever I'm saying, it is proven by the research here, and extract of the lion's mane were done, not by DXN, not by the traditional Chinese medicine, by the scientists who are running to cure something for the nerve injury, to do something with the nerve damage. All these things were done, and we are happy to be in DXN, that we can have a beautiful lion's mane without any pesticides. So I wish you a very happy day. I wish you a very happy life with healthy, wealthy, and freedom of diseases. Thank you very much for having patience, and sorry about everything if you are...